to make these delegations large, this is on the taxpayer's dime. And it's pretty expensive getting people there if you have to get military air, and we try to keep them small. If we had a longer lead time, perhaps we would have made other arrangements, but 4 days is not a lot of time to make an arrangement.
And Secretary Perry had become interested in some of the energy-related issues in the Ukraine.
I actually recommended that Secretary Perry be released along with others.
And what can you tell us about his involvement in some of the Ukrainian policy?
Well, Secretary Perry's engagement in this made again perfect sense, given his role as Secretary of Energy, also his deep knowledge of the energy